is. It's bigger than you are. Can I have this? Here, we're gonna give it a pull.
Look at this. This is exciting, kiddo.
It is. This is the best.
Pull this one. What's in there? This looks like so much fun. Oh my goodness. What is this? Oh my
You have to be careful when your father gets used in toy fun. I kept saying,
Look
no.
at
put that
that.
Oh,
back.
probably
Put
fun.
that
You
back.
know how many times Joseph looked at this and said, "This looks cool." Look at this, and it's got other stuff that goes along with it.
Right, when he starts crawling, he can push that.
Great.
You're gonna have so much fun with that.
You see it?
And the dogs will too, because there's
Oh,
balls
the
everywhere.
balls.